Hello students, welcome to the online class. We are doing chapter number 12 and in this chapter we will learn about the Heron's formula. So area of triangle we already learned in previous classes is equal to half base into height. But in this Heron's formula we have, suppose we have a triangle. This is a triangle and name of this triangle is ABC. And in question you have three sides are given. Suppose this one is of 5 centimeter, this is of 6 centimeter and this is of 7 centimeter. That means if three sides are given, then how can you find the area of triangle? Because you know only formula is half into base into height. So base is given here 6 centimeter, but height is not given and two other sides are given. So when three sides are given, then you have to find area by this formula. Area of triangle equal to S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, where A, B, C are the sides of this triangle. So suppose A equal to 5, B equal to 7 and C equal to 6 centimeter is there. And what is S? S is, firstly I have to write here A, B and C are sides of triangles. And second thing, what is S? So S is semi perimeter of triangle. So what is semi perimeter? Firstly you have to understand what is perimeter. Perimeter is the total length of the given side. So you have to add 5 plus 7 plus 6. So 5 plus 7, 12, 12 plus 6, 18. So 18 is the perimeter of that triangle. Now what is semi-perimeter? So semi-perimeter is the perimeter's half. So you have to write perimeter upon 2, which is equal to what? S. If you divide perimeter by 2, you will get the value of S. No? So this is the basic parts of that chapter. Okay. Now we have to use that things into our exercise and question part. So question number 1 is given here. In example number 1, page number 201 of your NCERT book. Find the area of triangle. You have to find the area of triangle, two sides of which are 8 centimeter and 11 centimeter. Only two sides are given here, and perimeter is 32 centimeter. And in the place of third side there is perimeter is given. Okay, so in solution I am going to solve example number 1. Solution given. What is given part in this question? What is given part in this question? Suppose we have a triangle. Let two sides are, which are the two sides? 8 centimeter and 8 centimeter and 11 centimeter. Two sides are 8 centimeter and 11 centimeter. And third thing is given there also, perimeter of triangle. So what is the perimeter of triangle is given here? So perimeter of this triangle is given here 32 centimeter. And what we have to find? We have to find the area of triangle by the use of Heron's formula. So two sides are there, 8 centimeter and 11 centimeter. But third side is not given here, no? So we need to find third side first. So let A equal to 8 centimeter, B equal to 11 centimeter and C equal to, we don't have any value of C. So what is given in second part? The perimeter of triangle. So also A plus B plus C equal to, what is given here? 32 centimeter. So put the value of A equal to 8 and B equal to 11 and C is not given here, so I am writing C as it is here. Now there is 32. So 8 plus 11 plus C equal to 32. Is it clear? Now find the value of C from there. 8 plus 11 is equal to 19 plus c equal to 32. Now find the value of c from there. If 19 is adding there, then if you transpose, then it will be subtract from 32. So 32 minus 19 is equal to, subtract 19 from 32, what will you get? In 30 is there. So value of c is finded and value of c is 13 there. So three sides, 8 centimeter, 11 centimeter and 13 centimeter we have finded. Okay. Now what we have to do? We have to find the area of that triangle. So now therefore area of triangle. What is the formula for the area of triangle? Under root s minus a, s minus b and last s minus c. So this is the root. So I written values inside this values inside the root. And last one more thing is there. There is s, but we did not find out the value of s there. And we have perimeter as 32. Here perimeter is equal to 32. No? Here therefore also a plus b plus c upon 2 is equal to s, because s is equal to same perimeter and a plus b plus c is equal to perimeter. So if you divide a plus b plus c by 2, then you will get semi perimeter. So value of a plus b plus c equal upon 2 is equal to 32 upon 2. So what will you get? The value of s equal to 16. 16 what? 16 centimeter. Okay. So now put the value of s there and a, b, c there. So I am writing here under root value of s is 16 and here 16 minus a, that means value of a is 8 centimeter. Value of b is 11 centimeter and value of c is 13 centimeter. So I put all the values of given as a, b and c. S के place पे 16 and a, b, c के place पे 8, 11 and 13 I am telling you. Now find the values. 16, since there is bracket, so can take multiply sign. 16 minus 8, there will be 8 multiply. 16 minus 11, there will be 5 and 16 minus 13, there will be 3. Okay. Now solve it by the prime factorization. If you factorize 16, you will get 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay. One more 2 is there because 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. And there is 8. Again, do factorize 8, 2 into 2 into 2. Okay. And there is 5 and 3. So write 5 and 3. And we know that numbers can out from that under root which have pairs. So 2 and 2 make pair with each other. These 2 and 2 make pair with each other. And last these 2 are making pair with each other. And these 2, 3 and 5 are not in pair. So I am writing as it is. So write it 2 into 2 into 2. Because this for this 2, this for this 2 and this for this 2. And last what is left here? 2 into 5, 10, 10 3s are 30. Or you can write it in expanded form now. Now there is 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8 equal to 8. And there is 2 into 5, 10, 10 3s are 30. So in root you have to write 30 and centimeter square, which is your answer. Why I written centimeter square? Because in area you have to use square term, no? And there is area of triangle is 8 under root 30 square. Sorry, centimeter square. So similarly you can solve question number 3rd and 4th of exercise 12.1. Okay. And from today that much only. Okay.